Dear riders, hello! Today, I will introduce to you a Qualcomm 6125 Automotive Central Control Multimedia. It uses the latest touchscreen button operation design. Make your driving experience more convenient and comfortable. First, let's take a look at Qualcomm 6125 features of this central control multimedia chip. It uses an advanced Snapdragon processor, able to handle a wide range of complex automotive applications with ease. It also has smooth running speed and low power consumption performance. Multimedia system equipped with Qualcomm 6125, able to support Bluetooth calls, navigation, music, video, and other rich features. Next, let's take a look at this Qualcomm 6125 car. Touch-screen button operation design of central control multimedia. It uses a high-definition touchscreen, clear resolution, and fast touch response. Allows you to easily perform various operations, such as volume adjustment, switching songs, search navigation, etc. In addition, it also supports a variety of common automotive applications, such as automatic air conditioning, driving recorder, etc., to make your driving more convenient. Overall, Qualcomm 6125 Automotive Central Control Multimedia, with its advanced touchscreen button operation design, bringing a new level of convenience to your driving experience. If you are looking for a high-performance, high-quality central control multimedia products, then the Qualcomm 6125 is definitely your best choice. Thank you for listening and have a great drive.